Hi there, it's Erin here from Three Birds Renovations. I'm at my home that we've recently renovated and I'd like to show you how we transform the exterior. A huge part of the renovation was updating the tired looking brick facade into a modern day urban farmhouse. The elements we've used to create this style is by mixing stone, cladding with pops of black and adding a gable roof above the entrance. Once you've landed on your vision, you need to work out how to achieve it, and one update we made was to change the front entry. We chose these beautiful glass panel doors with side lights from Corinthian. They're perfect for creating a clean and contemporary look and let plenty of light through. Corinthian Doors Blonde Oak collection are crafted from sustainable, solid timber with a white oak veneer which can be stained or painted depending on the style you're looking to achieve. We chose to paint the doors in Dulux Super Enamel Semi-Gloss paint in the colour Buffet. Corinthian doors have a huge range to choose from, so head online today to find out more.